Looking for the perfect motorcycle Bluetooth headset? Whether you're cruising solo, riding with friends, or navigating long highways, having the right headset can change your biking experience completely. Today's motorcycle Bluetooth headsets models offer crystal clear audio, seamless intercom connectivity, music streaming, GPS guidance, and hands-free calling, all designed to keep you safe and connected on the road. But with so many options on the market, which one should you buy? We're breaking down the top 5 best motorcycle Bluetooth headsets on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the FODSPORTS M1-S Pro. If you're looking for the best budget-friendly motorcycle Bluetooth headsets, the FODSPORTS M1-S Pro is a top choice. It's built for riders who want seamless communication, powerful sound, and long-lasting performance. This headset delivers everything you need for an enjoyable ride. What makes the M1-S Pro stand out is its 2,000-meter maximum range and 8-rider group intercom support. With Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures stable, fast, and reliable connections. Also, its music-sharing feature lets you and your riding buddy enjoy the same song together, making your journeys even more fun. The sound quality is crystal clear, thanks to its high-definition, full-range speakers and deep bass performance. This headset is equipped with noise reduction technology and a CSR chip. The headset blocks out wind and engine noise, keeping your calls and music crisp even at high speeds. Built to last, the M1-S Pro is waterproof and dustproof, making it perfect for all-weather rides. Its 900 mAh battery gives you up to 20 hours of talk time and a full week of standby, so you can ride longer without worrying about recharging. With a universal pairing mode, it works with many other brands, and the removable metal clip makes installation and swapping between helmets quick and easy. If you want a budget-friendly, durable, and reliable motorcycle headset, the FODSPORTS M1-S Pro is one of the best all-around options for group riders and solo adventurers alike. The 4th place on our list is Cardo FREECOM 2X. The Cardo FREECOM 2X motorcycle Bluetooth headset is one of the most reliable and feature-packed communication systems you can buy. It's designed for riders who want crystal clear sound, seamless connectivity, and all-weather durability. This headset delivers everything you need for smooth rides and easy communication. It comes with 40mm HD speakers. The FREECOM 2X delivers powerful, clear, and immersive audio, whether you're listening to music, making calls, or chatting with your riding partner. Its two-way Bluetooth intercom ensures you stay connected with your fellow rider effortlessly, making it perfect for both solo trips and two-person adventures. You'll love its built-in FM radio with RDS, which automatically selects the strongest signal. So whether you're cruising through the city or riding through remote areas, you'll always have uninterrupted music or news. And it offers universal Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair with any smartphone, GPS, or even other headset brands without any hassle. Staying updated is simple with over-the-air software updates via the Cardo Connect app. No cables, no complicated steps, just download, update, and ride with the latest features. And with its waterproof design, the FREECOM 2X performs flawlessly in rain, dust, or snow, giving you peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. If you want a lightweight, durable, and easy-to-use Bluetooth headset with great sound quality and practical features, the Cardo FREECOM 2X is one of the best options for you. It's built for riders who want reliability, performance, and convenience, all in one compact package. The 3rd product on our list is the Sena 50S. The Sena 50S motorcycle Bluetooth headset is one of the most feature-packed and premium communication systems you can own. It's equipped for riders who demand top-notch sound quality, reliable connectivity, and seamless controls. This headset takes your riding experience to the next level. This headset is powered by sound by Harman Kardon. The Sena 50S delivers crystal clear, rich, and immersive audio. The premium speakers provide deep bass and sharp highs, while the advanced microphone captures your voice with exceptional clarity, even at high speeds. Whether you're talking to your crew or listening to your favorite tracks, you'll love the studio quality sound. With its one-click mesh intercom, staying connected with your group has never been easier. The system offers robust reliability and effortless pairing, while Bluetooth 5.0 ensures faster, stronger, and more stable connections across all your devices. You will get voice-activated assistant access, so you can control functions hands-free using Hey Google or Hey Siri. If you get running low on power, you will get the fast charging technology that will give you up to 2 hours of talk time with just a 20-minute charge, keeping you on the move without long waits. The included Wi-Fi charging adapter also ensures your headset stays updated with the latest firmware, no extra effort needed. From its premium audio experience to its reliable intercom system and hands-free convenience, the Sena 50S offers everything you need in a high-performance motorcycle headset. If you want advanced features, premium sound, and seamless connectivity, this Sena 50S motorcycle Bluetooth headset might be the best option for you. The second product on our list is the Cardo PACKTALK Edge. If you are looking for the best premium motorcycle Bluetooth communication system, the Cardo PACKTALK Edge is one of the top choices right on the market. It's built for riders who demand cutting-edge performance, comfort, and durability. This headset delivers a seamless communication experience, whether you're touring long highways or riding through extreme weather. What makes the PACKTALK Edge truly special is its waterproof build. Rain, mud, snow, or dust, it handles it all while keeping you connected wherever your adventure takes you. Its air mount system makes attaching the device effortless. Just bring it close to the magnetic mount, and it instantly snaps into place quick, secure, and hassle-free. The natural voice operation feature is a really game changer. Forget fumbling with buttons, simply say, "Hey Cardo," and command your headset hands-free. Whether you want to make a call, change music, or adjust settings, it's all voice-controlled, keeping your focus entirely on the road. With universal connectivity, the PACKTALK Edge pairs effortlessly with any Bluetooth headset brand. Stream your favorite tracks, enjoy built-in FM radio with RDS for the strongest signal, and let the automatic volume control adjust your sound based on surrounding noise. You'll also love its fast charging feature. Just 20 minutes of charging gives you up to 2 hours of talk time. Also, it uses USB Type-C for faster and more reliable connections. Over-the-air software updates via the Cardo Connect app make it future-ready, with no cables required. This headset is backed by an extended 3-year warranty. The Cardo PACKTALK Edge combines premium design, advanced features, and unbeatable performance. If you want the ultimate riding companion, this headset is built for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the LEXIN B4FM. The LEXIN B4FM motorcycle Bluetooth headset is the best overall headset and reliable helmet communication systems you can get. It's designed for riders who love staying connected. It delivers seamless intercom, music sharing, crystal clear calls, and outstanding sound all in one compact device. With Bluetooth and Qualcomm technology, this headset supports group intercom for up to 10 riders, best for 4, within a range of 2,000 meters or 1.2 miles. Whether you're cruising highways or tackling trails, you'll enjoy fast, stable, and secure connectivity. Also, its advanced DSP and CVC noise cancellation ensure you get hi-fi stereo sound and clear conversations even at speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. You'll love the music sharing feature that lets 2 riders enjoy the same playlist with a double click of the power button. It's also universally compatible, pairing effortlessly with most motorcycle headsets, smartphones, GPS devices, and even Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free control. Built for all-weather adventures, the IP67 waterproof design ensures top performance in rain, snow, and extreme conditions down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. Its powerful 800 mAh battery keeps you connected with up to 15 hours of talk or music time and 168+ hours of standby. With 2 interchangeable microphones, a boom mic for open-face helmets, and a button mic for full face, you get perfect versatility and comfort. If you want a powerful, durable, and easy-to-use Bluetooth headset for your rides, the LEXIN B4FM is hands down one of the best overall motorcycle communication systems you can buy. That's all for our list of the top 5 best motorcycle Bluetooth headsets on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.